How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can create new component in Fusion 360. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the browser category. This is where we can take a look at our files and basically the folder itself. So what you can do is to navigate through the file name. In my case, it's currently unsaved. So I could just right click on it, and inside this page, there will be the new component button. Now, if it's not appearing like myself right here, what you want to do is to navigate through the part design option. And then basically you could just click on the pencil icon and add it from part into something like hybrid or assembly. In my case, I'm going to be putting it on hybrid. And now if we click on the unsaved folder or unsaved file, there will be this new component button. Unfortunately, we cannot add or insert a new component if our file is on the part design right here. So click on the new component. In here, you could customize your component to whatever you want to. And basically, if you want to navigate back to your old component or your original file, you could just click on this dot icon, which will then activate that specific component. If you want to navigate through your newly created component, you just want to do the same thing. And basically from there, you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.